faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Say morning.
Morning, faves.
You guys, it's early in the morning and I'm just in the bed. I guess I'm rested. I can't sleep anymore, so I just got up. However, that's a good thing because I have so much things on my agenda that I want to get done today, so it's a good thing to start early. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I love you guys, and whatever it is that you guys are doing today, just have fun doing it. If you're not having fun doing it, it's not worth doing, honestly. Anyway, you guys, I am going to make breakfast for the start
With me.
with my boy. He said he wants to make breakfast with me this morning. However, there's one particular subscriber that has been asking me how I tie my headscarf. So I threw on a headscarf this morning and I show you two of the easiest and simplest way how I tie it, this way and another way. So go ahead and enjoy this clip and then I'll show you guys what I'm making for breakfast. And if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch me and keep up. Baby's still in bed. Sarah is still sleeping, so let's get as much done before my girl wake up. Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, what you can do for me for start is pack these out for mama.
Okay.
Okay?
Today I'm on this side to do it. Today I'm this side to do it because.
Okay, just do it fast.
Okay.
Mixing this banana for mama. You hold the pan with your left hand and you hold this with your right and you go like this.
Okay.
Good job.
I want to eat banana fritters.
You want to eat banana fritters? Move your toes. is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is this? You're awake. You're awake. Good morning. You're awake with Papa? You're awake with Papa? You can't see her properly?
Yeah.
So go around that side. Say morning, babes. And there goes breakfast, guys.
Mama.
All done. Breakfast is done and everybody in this house is at work. We're gonna clean our home right now. Tyler is of course prepping the bathroom for me. He said I sent him to his room to play while Papa and I would work, and he said, no mama, I want to help you, tell me what to do. So Ty is prepping, taking out everything from in there for me. Good job, Ty. Bravo. All right, now mama gonna clean the bathroom, but it's chemical, so you gonna come out of the bathroom now, okay?
What should I do?
What should you do? You can go and take the things out the toilet for me.
Okay.
Take out the bin and the mat and your potty and everything, okay?
And put them in just right here?
Right.
Okay.
So you remember these that I bought at the English store? I'm about to try them.
Cupcake?
This no,
This one?
it's not a cupcake. It's like a meat pie, and this one is a patsy. They call it.
Tea?
No, patsy. It's not patty at all. It's an imitation patty.
But I
You-
want patty.
You want patty? You love patty?
Yes, okay.
You'll get patty one day, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna go Jamaica one day. One day. Okay?
Okay, and then I can eat patty, okay?
Right. Love Jamaican patty. Wait, Tyler. Wait, I'm talking to the faves. So we're gonna try these, putting them in the oven, and then we'll test them and see what they're like. In the same time, I think I'm also gonna try the jackfruit. Jackfruit hot belly, you know. What should I do first, honey? Should I try the jackfruit after this?
Yeah.
After. So
But
we're
you
gonna do
want
this
to
and then do
help.
the
What should they do, Mama?
I don't have anything for you to do. I'm just gonna put this in the oven. You can help to eat it. How about that? All right. Yes. We're gonna taste test this
Bye.
imitation patty that even Tyler thinks it's a patty. Should be ready by now. Baby, ready? I don't have 1 minute to spare. It looks good though. Let's hope they bake. Oh, inside this one is white. Like cheesy. Very cheesy. Should be interesting. Yeah. And inside the pie smell meaty. Oh, he looks good. Mm-mm. Mmm. Mmm. Did it? It tastes good. Oh yes.
You taste it? Oh, my stickers.
It actually tastes like patty.
Yes, patty did like patty.
It does. This one, the pie looking one, honey, it actually does taste like patty.
It does taste like patty, Mama. Right?
Yeah, you're gonna taste it. Look guys, it tastes like patty. It really does. And the inside of it have a patty kind of look. How the meat of the patty would look, it looks the exact same way. Baby, come, you have to eat it hot. Leave that.
Ah, ha ha, that bad guy.
It tastes good. Get a fork.
Bad guy. Ah ha ha.
I haven't tasted this one as yet. You can taste this one. Tell me what it tastes like.
This plate is mine.
Okay, go ahead.
Ah ha ha.
Yeah, you can. This plate is mine and this plate is
I
Tyler's.
want to eat.
Take the stickers off your face and come.
That's what make me a bad guy.
What this one tastes like?
It tastes good.
What is half cheese?
Yeah.
But the cheese is strong.
Yeah, not Emmental or...
It's not my kind of cheese. Of this one that's shaped like patty. But this one that's shaped like a pie, this one tastes like patty. Don't it?
It's good.
Very good. So you guys know what that means. I'm going back for this one.
This one is the big fat one.
This one is so good.
The onions with it.
It's a mix of everything in it. This one is good. What's this one called? Meat pie. I'm gonna tell you guys what it's called.
Hot. I'm burning myself.
Okay, so
Yeah, you have onions.
okay. The one that has a taste like patty is called minced beef and onion premium pie. So if you guys in London and want to try this one as a Jamaican, it give you a patty vibe. This one, though it's shaped like a pie. And the one that says cheese and onion pasty, that one have cheese, very cheesy, but it's not my style. So I rather the pie. Really, really good. Okay,
Yes, Mama.
you're not gonna have yours?
Yes, I'm going to have mine. Just the stick and the sign. Too low.
I'm gonna sit there and enjoy this. And then we're gonna try the jackfruit and tell you
Jackfruit.
guys how it
What's
tastes.
jackfruit? What's jackfruit?
Okay. I'm gonna give you two of them. Not just that. I'm gonna let you taste two and you tell me which one you prefer. Okay?
Okay, I'm going to taste.
Taste the cheesy one first.
Okay.
Big bite.
It tastes like patty.
Alright. Taste this one now. Which one is your favorite? No, I'll give you this one and this one. Which one is your favorite? Show me. The cheesy one?
Yeah?
Okay, cool. Go and sit. Take your plate and go and sit. Well, Tyler prefer the cheesy one. Let's
The
see what he
cheese-
say when he finishes,
Mama?
but I prefer this one.
The cheesy one tastes like a pancake. I mean the patty.
Hi guys, well, so yesterday as you saw, I've made some fries for the family, but I've made too much fries, like they didn't eat some, Tyler just ate a little bit. So some fries is remain, and I said, I'm gonna put them in the omelet, and Babe was so surprised, like, huh? Fries in the omelet? Like, yeah, you can put whatever you want in the omelet. You can put sausage, you
Is
can
it
put
a French thing?
anything. No, I remember
Who
when I
you
was.
seen do it?
Me, you can put potatoes, you can put mushroom, you can put anything. I remember when I was student.
Mushroom sound okay.
When I was student, I used to write what I want to the chef, and I put ham and bacon, mainly ham, bacon and cheese for the omelet.
Yeah, that's normal.
So,
Fries.
fries, yeah, you can put pomme de terre. I can put potatoes. So I've baked eggs. So I'm gonna, it's just eggs, 2 eggs. And then I'm gonna put that and I'm gonna add some
egg
fries.
or no?
Not yet, I'm gonna do that. Whoa. Salt on my egg.
Go play by yourself. I want to taste it.
You want to test my omelette? No, if you love my omelette, you can't test my omelette.
Why are you using that pot? Because you want it big? What about the other pot?
This one is not good. Oh, I didn't see it.
That one take forever to hot.
That's okay, I didn't see that one. I apologize, I apologize. This is the one that was looking. That's just the pot. You look like you're laughing at my...
Me?
Yeah, you.
I am, because I've never heard about fries in omelette.
And frying pizza, you know?
Frying pizza?
Yeah.
I've seen that in France. I've seen fries and egg in France. Egg is the first one that was interesting to me.
Really?
Because I've
Egg and
never
pizza?
seen, and then I come here and see it, and it's
people
very common.
People love eggs. Sometimes they order regular pizza and they add for egg in the middle.
Oh my god, who does that?
You know pasta, we call it carbonara, the pasta that Tyler like, or that I like with some bacon and cheese. See what I'm talking about?
Not really.
Pizza, pasta like tossed pasta or any pasta with the little pieces of bacon. And that you put, and eventually you can put cheese. And you can put egg.
Yeah, that sounds okay for me. Maybe because I've tasted that way before. But egg and pizza, no, ruining the pizza and ruining the omelette by putting in.
Well, French gonna say the
fries.
same about you and your damn pineapple on the pizza. I like both, so I don't laugh.
Hey,
But
who love pineapple and pizza?
they
Comment
say-
down below and
they
tell
say
me.
pineapple, but not in the pizza.
Really? Pineapple is so good on
Not in the
pizza.
pizza.
Who love pineapple and pizza? Comment down below emoji of pineapple or comment pineapple. Let's see how much of you is with me.
Now you never had like sausage or...
Of course.
So what's wrong with adding fries on top?
Not fries.
Come on.
But sausage is you what I do. So what you gonna, okay, you're gonna mix up the into it?
Yeah, I'm gonna
So
add
why, so why in my head you're gonna put it in the middle?
some. Okay.
I want to see this. I want to see this, Sarah. I want to see this. This nonsense. Look, see, I have one in the plate.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is going to be the... So now you're gonna add these in the middle.
No, that's it. That's already a good amount.
So you're gonna waste the rest of it?
Or gonna warm it and see if Tyler wants some or if I can eat some.
So that's it? That little bit?
That's already a good amount. You want me to put all of them?
No, it's you making your thing.
No, that's fine. If you want the same thing, I can do it for you.
Oh. Me don't want that. Me don't want that. Sarah, look at that nonsense.
So you want omelette? If you are bigger, I will make you a good omelette. I can see that you're jolly already. C'est bon.
Madness.
That is good.
What a mess. Look at that.
What's wrong with you?
Babe, camp fries omelette. He says it's yummy. I'm gonna make sure I taste it.
No.
What do you mean? No.
I'm not gonna test it.
Yes, this is.
Come through, chef. Come
Who
through,
want
chef.
to go to Easter and find the one that you want to go to Easter and find a lot of egg of
It's
chocolate?
not yet.
That's fine.
Easter.
You just need some pepper,
Some flavor.
some flavor.
So why you didn't add it?
Papa,
It's a little bit too late now.
Papa,
Yes, bye.
Chef.
celui qui veut aller à Easter et trouver.
What Papa tell you is Easter in French. It actually look good on plate.
Papa,
It's 50% of the job once it looks good.
It actually looks good
When it's
on
beginning,
plate.
when you want to eat it. When it's pretty,
It
people want-
actually looks good on plate, husband.
Yes,
I must
Tyler.
say.
Yes,
Come let me
Tyler.
taste this before you can add it.
celui qui veut verser
50% of the job. The chef make it pretty.
Papa,
Yes, Ty.
celui qui
Come, chef, let me taste. Put it down because I want to taste it with the fries.
veut
Take this.
See the fries here, so
Okay.
I have to let you guys see my face. I don't taste like I'm eating omelet. I taste like I'm eating potatoes.
And does it does as terrible as fries when you
It's
eat it
not
now?
terrible. It's not terrible, but I don't want that in my omelet. It ruin omelet. It's
It
not supposed to.
fill you than to have only egg. Otherwise, you just have egg. So you fill you. Look.
No, me I go back for the egg. Just for the egg, not for the not
You
for the
haven't find
fries.
it.
No.
Yeah, I smashed the fries.
Oh, liar.
I just secret.
I tell the truth. Come. Kids never lie.
Fries.
Oh, but I don't like egg.
Yeah.
What you mean you don't like egg?
I don't eat egg.
Really?
I don't like it.
Make him gag.
Okay.
Are you a kid and you don't know that?
No.
Watch me just sneak piece more. Alright, chef. You get a pass.
Thank you.
But not for me. I'm giving you guys a close-up of dinner process. So this is the
Mama,
vegetable that I'm going to
you're going
blend.
to put
Rice is over here and salmon is here, and I'm gonna fry the salmon over here because we like our salmon fried.
Excuse me.
Yes, Stella.
You're going to put things inside of
Yes.
You're going to put
Look at these
what?
two.
Soup. You're going to put soup. Yes. Yes. Yes, Mama.
Yes, Dai.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy in Papa belly.
Yummy, yummy in everybody belly.
Exactly, Dai.